Hey folks, hi Emily. You folks ever buy a water saver toilet bowl? It sounded good back then in '96 is when this one was installed. You know, save the water, save the world, whatever, blah 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 blah. You know what? They really suck, okay? Because they only drain a little bit of water, and lots of times they just don't flush. Okay, they just do not take your product all the way out the door. So you end up flushing two times anyway, if not three sometimes. Okay, but I'm going to show you what it looks like inside and what I did to eliminate this water saver thing. Right, so basically it's just a little coffee can around the drain hole. It's made out of plastic, it's a hard plastic, so you just gotta cut the crap out of it, so to speak. Hold on, I'm gonna take this little cover off and I'll show it to you. All right, so here it is right here. Like I said, it used to be a plastic little coffee can, covers this whole thing. You can see it. There's a round circle of it. On the side of that little plastic coffee can, it's like maybe two or three holes on this side, two or three holes on this side. So basically, it's just the water in that area that's going to flush when you lift this. Okay, that's all that is. And then a couple of the holes, they're about maybe the size of a quarter. The rest of the water will flush in and continue. So you don't have the whole bowl flushing down like you normally do in a normal toilet bowl. So that's how you're supposed to save water. But you know what? It sucks. Saving water on these toilet bowls, they just suck. So without dismantling the whole toilet bowl, okay, what I did was just take a little nice utility knife and I cut it. Okay, the sides I'm not worried about. You just basically want the most water coming out of it because it's hard to cut on the side because it's actually like a coffee can. It's actually flat on the bottom and then it comes up. So basically, I just cut a notch there, a notch there. Take the piece off, right? Cut a big notch here, and cut it off. There's not much room, but basically that's all you want to do. And now the whole bowl is going to empty out, and you're good as new. All right. Yeah, that water saving stuff sucks. But that's it. Ciao.